All right, welcome to your quick introduction on the Golf Simulator control box. Thanks for buying one if you did, and if not, you might want to get one. When you first get it, you'll open your mouse. This is your USB dongle. That works for the mouse and for this unit. So it's either going to be a AA or two AAAs, depending on what mouse setup you get at the time, depends on product. Here you're going to take out the 6 screws. Eventually I'm gonna have just a little thing here. You take it out, put your battery in so you don't have to take the whole back off. Once you have all the screws out, open it up. You're gonna be greeted with something like this. All you're gonna do is pop that battery in, and you're never gonna worry about that again for the next year or so, because now it just works. There's no on off. It just goes to sleep. Same with the mouse. It just goes to sleep with your computer. I haven't changed mine in over 2 years now, and I play quite a bit. So now all we're going to do is plug this USB dongle into here. And now we can go play. So we're all set up here, as you can see. These just correspond with the basic TGC 2019 hotkey. So escape. You know, you can go up, down. The up and down are W and S. So when you're changing drop zone, you can change drop zone. You can't do that with the up and down arrows. This is left and right for looking left and right. As you can see, it's changing. I don't really have a good, this is club up, club down. So if I'm just going to whack a pitching wedge out there for fun, you can hit aerial view. You can get the aerial view up top. You can hit scout. Okay, it's about where I want to go with my pitching wedge. Scout. R shot if I want to keep replaying the shot. What I do is I typically set it down next to my hitting area here. Now I can hit my ball. All weird, crack, like a, ugh. All right, so I haven't hit anything, and as you can see, we're gonna go, and it's gonna R shot back, because I'm just practicing. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to that box, I'm gonna hit R shot. That goes away, now I can play. Now I'm gonna club up to my big stick. And I'll hopefully not make my back crack after. We're gonna put one out there. All slicey. We're out there though. Crap. All right, that's the basics. I'm going to find some water on a different course, and I'll show you how that works with dropping the ball. All right, show you a couple different things here. I found the course with water. It's $2.95 to carry the green. I can do that, right? You know, you got a friend who thinks they can carry 300, but they can't. So we went to the water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change drop zone, which is also club down. So now here I can come back as far as I want, because this is W and S. If this was programmed as up and down, it wouldn't work. So I can bring this back wherever I want, and I can take my drop, let's say here. So I want to take my drop here. Let's say I don't like this though. What if I want a mulligan? I'm playing by myself. I want to cheat. There's no mulligan on here, but you can hit escape. Down, down, enter. And you got yourself a mulligan. I said I normally do this all on the ground. So, all right, that's it for the TGC 2019 box. This might be the video for everybody. With gspro, it's basically the same Same thing, except for you have mulligan where you can hit the top button and another button and get yourself a mulligan. So thanks for watching.